Sorry, but this is just cool packaging. I like it. Guess I'm gonna throw it away, but I like it. Hello, welcome. What came in my Boxycharm for March 2025? The first skincare item that we have is from First Aid Beauty. They are cruelty-free, however, their parent company is not. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser. You can get different sizes of this one. This is 5 ounce and it has a retail price of $24. There isn't really, no, there's no scent. It has kind of like a little shimmer to it. It's for oily, combo, normal, dry, and again, sensitive skin. It is supposed to leave your skin feeling clean, not tight or dry. On the First Aid Beauty website, this got 4.6 stars out of well over 2,000 reviews. If you have sensitive skin, because that was the issue on a lot of the low star reviews. So if you have sensitive skin, I will leave the links down below. I would recommend before you pick this to go read through the ingredients, maybe read through some more reviews, because people said that they didn't feel like it was for sensitive skin and it irritated their skin. On the flip side, the high stars, people said that they didn't feel like it irritated their skin, didn't leave them a rash. A lot of people who had redness said it really did help with getting the redness to be less severe. So that is skincare product number 1. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription service. You do get skincare, makeup, sometimes fragrances, sometimes makeup brushes in it. It does have a price of $32 plus a $1.99 handling fee, so $33.99 plus tax. You get 5 full-size products and you do get to pick 3 of your 5 items. Choice for Boxycharms opens the first of each month. The second skincare item that we have is from Origins. Unfortunately, they're not cruelty-free. This is the Ginseng Brightening Eye Cream. There is a scent on this, just to let you know. I think it might be the ginseng. When I was applying it, I didn't notice the scent, but definitely when I opened it, I do. And the color that they sent is warm. Warm is for darker skin tones, it says. The cool is for lighter skin tones. And for me, I think that the cool probably would have been a better match. I do get this gifted to me. Thank you so much, Boxycharm. There is no requirements of like, you got to put out this video or got to say this, none of that. And that's why I don't get to pick my items. So just in case you're wondering, well, why didn't you pick the cool? That's why. This has a retail price of $39. It is 0.5 ounces. And oh, this is made in the US. And the First Aid Beauty is made in the US with local and imported materials. Some of the key ingredients in this is vitamin C, which helps with the signs of aging because it helps protect the skin from the environmental elements. Niacinamide, which helps lock in moisture. And I have dry skin. I have always found products with niacinamide it does help with moisture. At least that's been my experience. Ginseng and caffeine help give a more awakened appearance. On Ulta, this got 4.4 stars with over 1,000 reviews. They didn't really like it. They didn't notice a difference. Some people said that it made their under eyes look more crepey. I've only used it once, obviously, so I'll have to keep using it to give you my opinion. But of course, there were some high stars. Also, if we are just meeting for the first time, hello, my name is Stacy. I am in my late 40s. And here on this channel, I love all things beauty and fashion. I put out new videos twice a week, and I am all about positive pro-aging versus anti-aging because we just want to look the best and feel our best no matter what our age is. Let's quit saying, you know, she looks good for her age. It doesn't matter. We just look good, okay? So now let's go on to the makeup portion. From Misho Beauty, they are cruelty-free. This is the Lip Balm Butter. Now the thing with this is I could not find this exact thing on their website. They do have on their website a sheer lip shine plus lip balm that has different colors, but the packaging doesn't look different and nothing says butter. So It does have a scent to it, and it's not sticky. It kind of is like a lip balm that has some lip oil kind of splashed into it, is kind of how I would describe it. So it comes in the box. This color is Petal Poppin'. Oh, first of all, I should say Fenty is cruelty-free. Their parent company is not. And this is the Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush and the color Poppin' Petal. So you open it, and here's the packaging. And then when you open it, so you go like that, and it's in there because it's on an angle. So I know it's just the small details, but I think it's cool. This has a retail price of $28, and this is, where is this made? It's made in Italy. So yes, on an angle, there is no mirror. This is described as kind of going on like a cream, being really blendable, but the pigmentation of a powder blush. It is waterproof, and there are a few different shades available. On Ulta, it got 4.7 stars with over 600 reviews. And the main complaints was that it didn't blend well. It was patchy. I didn't notice it. I will have to try it with different foundations. Just to let you know, the foundation that I have on today is It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. But I didn't notice it being patchy at all when I applied it. And the brush that I used to apply it, just so you know, is the e.l.f. highlighting brush. So a pretty fluffy brush. So that's what I used. And before we get to the total value of my box, the last makeup product is from Laura Geller, cruelty-free, and this is a palette. The Candy Cravings. It's got 12 shadows, 1 highlighter, and 1 blush, and this is made in China. Very pretty, has a mirror, and the names. I have a sweet tooth, bubblegum, we have Bomb Bomb, Taffy, Gummy Bear, Licorice, Peanut Brittle, Jelly Bean. What is, well, that might be too hard of a question. If you have a favorite candy, what is it? I don't know if I could name one favorite, but gummy products, gummy bears, or like gummy worms or anything like that, yeah, definitely love that. Basically, and yeah, like any Willy Wonka products, I think I pretty much like all Willy Wonka. But very pretty. It is a palette that I feel if you want kind of more of a wash of color, you can achieve that. If you want a little bit more pigmentation from it, wet your brush and it will give you some more. I don't know if I said the price. This is $25, and there was no reviews on this. I have to say, before we get to the value, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I am wanting to reach 5,000 friends here on YouTube, and so please, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, it is free. Again, a cost of the box is $33.99 plus tax. The value, the retail price of all the items added up makes the value of my box $139. So value money-wise, definitely there. And I am happy with all of the products. I feel like the lip balm I probably didn't really need, but I'll use it. And yeah, I'm happy with everything else. I don't know. What do you think? You tell me. Do you think that this was a good box or not? If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm yourself or gifting it to someone else, I will have a link down in the description box as well. And if you want to see what else you can pick in your box that was on the spoilers list that I didn't get, check out this video here. Thanks. Bye.